Hello, we have with us Dr. Gajendra Singh, Vice President of ICRI Group. Sir, how are you feeling to witness this first physical event?
Thank you so much. It's been 2 years when we have been conducting webinars and so many online events, but this is the first time we are coming personally, interacting with people. So it's really wonderful, amazing experience.
Sir, to you, what this new normal education, right? Since the emergence of the COVID, right, we have seen that there is a drastic change in the mode of teaching. So, how did your group, how did your group played a role in evolving in the education system?
I must tell you, based on my experience, I'm pretty much clear that in coming 10 years time you will see digital education is moving ahead. Though we are habitual of digital, this normal learning methods, but now corona has taught us a lot that how we are going to move into digital era. We are adopting those technologies, and of course, yes, this digital education has a future, of course, in coming years. Yeah.
Sir, according to you, what's the difference which the student face in this online education and compared to the physical education?
Okay, actually, you know better that when we are trying to learn in physical environment, especially when it comes to practical sessions, those session gives more. Those are more interactive. People have more learning environment. But when we are talking of digital environment now, there are so many edutech companies coming up and trying to bring such platforms, which makes easy environment. And though it will take time because we are still learning, still we are doing practices, and still we have yet to learn on this platform. So I strongly believe that actually traditional training was, of course, yes, wonderful. But yes, gradually you will see that student will be habitual of online platform, and it will save their money, it will save their time, and it will bring more effectiveness.
Exactly, sir. Sir, what is your message you want to give to Adarcom Media?
I must say thank you so much, Adarcom, because you have brought so many top professionals, top educationists on one platform, and they have shared their ideas, and the kind of message you are sharing with the world is really awesome, amazing, and meaningful. And I'm sure in coming time, Adarcom can bring more awareness about this digital education, and will be happy to be part of such events in future as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for attending the event, and
Thank you, sir.
thank you, sir.